Oh, Dennis Pulley, this is rocket number 14. In case you've been paying any attention to us, we've had lots of mishaps. This one, I'm hoping, is different. It's got a good nozzle on it, good for us anyway, and a very heavy stick. But keep my.
Been cool for about a half hour.
Yeah, it's been cooling for about a half hour, but it's also very fresh. I'm not too concerned about the temperature.
Right, but what I'm saying is it hasn't been days.
Yeah, it hasn't been sitting around for days. Come on, let's let it go. Do it, fucker. The damn stick saved our lives. Oh wow, look, it's sticking straight up. Well, what do we call that? That's not a failure.
No.
We're getting there. Rocket 14, and look, it's ready to relaunch. The top popped off.